Chapter 4 Animals Habitat. We live in this beautiful world with different animals, birds, insects, and reptiles. Some creatures live on land, some in the vast oceans and seas. A few animals have adapted to life both in water and on land. Let me answer. 1. Do you love wild animals? 2. Can you name one of your favorite wild animals? A. Look at the pictures of colorful and beautiful animals. Name them taking clues from the help list. 1. Persian cat. 2. Swamp deer. 3. Flamingo. 4. Polar bear. 5. Leopard. 6. Turtle. 7. Giant panda. 8. Garter snake. 9. Octopus. 10. Monarch butterfly. B. Take the correct answer. 1. Which animal is shown on the national emblem of USA? A. Bald eagle. B. Bison. C. Grizzly bear. Answer A. Bald eagle. 2. The name of which animal means person of the forest? A. Gorilla. B. Baboon. C. Orangutan. Answer C. Orangutan. 3. Which sea creature has 2 legs and 6 arms? A. Jellyfish. B. Octopus. C. Sea cow. Answer B. Octopus. 4. Which is the largest land carnivore? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Polar bear. Answer C. Polar bear. Teachers note. Ask the learners to look at the picture carefully and sort the animals based on their habitat as in land, water or both. Info bits. The shark has no bones in its body. Its skeleton is made of soft cartilage.